Welcome back, everyone. I've been actually experiencing this problem quite a bit on my recent iPhones, actually my older iPhones, my iPhone 6s and 7s and 8s, when I was updating to iOS 14.3. And this was a really weird problem. I haven't had this issue in a long time, but it was basically an error where it says, unable to check for update. There was also some times where it's saying error, when installing this update or couldn't find this update and all those different things. Now, all these problems kind of rely on the same, situation, which is pretty much just, sometimes the update didn't install properly. Sometimes there could be a problem with the update that you just installed, and that could be, affecting this specific update as well. It's very strange, and I'll never understand it, but there are a couple ways to fix it. So the very first thing I would recommend doing is if you have the update downloaded on your phone, and I'll show you how to check that. You want to go into your settings, you want to hop over here, you want to go into general, which is right here. You want to scroll down into iPhone storage. And if you see that specific update and it's downloaded, you want to go ahead and delete that update. So it'll basically say like iOS 14.3 or iOS 14.2.1 or iOS 15, whatever in the future. If you're watching this in the future, it's going to give you those specific number of that update. And you just want to find it and you want to delete it. So let's just go and say this was the update. Let's just say this was iOS 14.3. Well, there's going to be an option where it says, delete update. Well, you want to go ahead and delete that. You want to delete the update if it's already downloaded. Then you want to hop back out. You want to go back into your software update, and you pretty much just want to re-download this update. It should only take a couple of seconds, but this is very crucial. In order for you to actually get through this, you're going to have to basically re-download this specific update. And it should only take a couple of seconds, like I stated, so or a couple minutes or a couple hours, depending on how big the update is. But hopefully it was a smaller update. But once it's already downloaded, you want to go ahead and install it, and you should be good to go. You should be able to install it. Now, if that doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and power off your device. So just hold down, if you have a iPhone 10, a gesture-based iPhone, you want to hold up the volume up button and the power button on the side, and you want to power off your phone. If you have an iPhone with the home button, you just want to hold that side button right here, power off your device, turn it back on, and try to reinstall the update again. Most of the time, this fixes it, but you want to go and try it. Now, for me personally, none of those things fixed it. When I had just my 6S last week or 2 weeks ago doing 14.3, none of these things worked. But what ended up working is, and this is a kind of a workaround, was plugging my phone straight into iTunes, to my computer, and I pretty much installed the update that way. And that actually ended up fixing it. And since then, this has happened before on other iPhones as well. I had an iPhone 8 Plus that was very, very weird. I couldn't even have Wi-Fi on it. It was like the weirdest thing ever. It didn't work. But what ended up happening was one random update to iOS 14, it randomly fixed all those things, and I've been able to update over the year every single time. And I expect that's what's going to happen here too, but I just feel like there were some problems with Apple servers maybe, that it just wasn't installing or not able to verify the update. So that's another thing that I would recommend everyone to do, is to pretty much update your iPhone through your computer. So plug in your iPhone to iTunes or the Files app, your Mac, your Windows, whatever, and then basically go into your little phone panel and click on the little check for update, and it's going to check for the update for you. It's going to download the update on your computer, and you can pretty much just install the update through your computer instead of actually just relying on your phone. So that's one way to do it. That's the way that worked for me. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.